is under a defamation case. Bhavtosh is on the phone line. Bhavtosh, what are the details?
Well, in fact, the hearing took place early in the morning. The court told him that because he was not appearing in the court, he has to file a personal bond. Kejriwal said that that he does not have that kind of money. He came to the court. The court set a limit of 10,000 rupees for personal bond. Kejriwal was present with a senior leader of AAP and also senior advocate Prashant Bhushan. Kejriwal refused, and the court had no option but to send Arvind Kejriwal, Delhi former chief minister, to judicial custody. Now he has been remanded to judicial custody for 2 days. That's till 23rd. The court has also asked the Delhi police personnel to move in so that he can be taken into custody and sent to Tihar jail. One can question this as another attempt by Arvind Kejriwal to be in news. The fact remains that it is under law that he can take a personal bond. The court did not want him to send to judicial custody. At several points of time during the day, the court had told him that he should take personal bond, but Kejriwal decided not to take personal bond, and that's the reason why he is now being sent to judicial custody. As we said earlier, this could be another drama enacted by former Chief Minister of Delhi, Arvind Kejriwal, to stay in news. His personal security officers have been asked to move away from the courtroom so that he can be taken into the custody by Delhi Armed Police and then later shifted to Tihar jail.
Bhavtosh, I believe in court today, Kejriwal argued that he has not committed any heinous crime. He said that he was not looking at any exceptional treatment. But clearly at this point, the court has not found merit in what he is saying. And like you're saying, he has been sent to judicial custody for 2 days.
Yes, Radhika. In fact, during the hearing, when Prashant Bhushan was asking that Arvind Kejriwal should give an undertaking, the court said that a concept of undertaking does not exist in the Criminal Procedure Code, and that one has to take a personal bond because that's the legal way of taking an exemption from the court. To which Arvind Kejriwal said that his fight is that of against corruption and that he has not committed.
साफ इनकार कर दिया. मामले पे बहुत बहस हुई, ऑर्डर रिजर्व हुआ और आज 4 बजे जज साहब ने ऑर्डर किया कि केजरीवाल जी किसी भी साधारण व्यक्ति की तरीके से, जिस प्रकार से साधारण व्यक्ति क्रिमिनल प्रोसीजर कोड के तहत बेल बॉन्ड देता है, बेल बॉन्ड देंगे, पर्सनल बॉन्ड देंगे 10,000 की ट्यून का. लेकिन केजरीवाल जी ने पहले हाँ करते हुए फिर इनकार कर दिया और उनकी इनकारी पर जो होता है कानूनी प्रक्रिया में उनको अरेस्ट कर दिया गया कोर्ट ही में और यहीं से उनको जुडिशियल कस्टडी में ले जाया जाएगा. अगली तारीख 23 की नियुक्त हुई है. 23 को बैठक फिर मेट्रोपॉलिटन मजिस्ट्रेट के सामने सुनवाई आगे होगी. उसमें
That was Advocate Pinky Anand, who was giving us more details about what transpired in court today. Bhavtosh continues to be with us. The point being made there was that there is a certain process to be followed in law, which Kejriwal was refusing to do, Bhavtosh. Okay, we just lost that line with Bhavtosh. We'll try and connect back. But just to give you a quick recap of this specific case, this is a defamation complaint filed against Arvind Kejriwal by BJP leader Nitin Gadkari before a court. And the court had asked if the AAP leader was looking for some exceptional treatment. This is after Kejriwal refused to give a bail bond, as is a process in the court of law in cases like this. Kejriwal, in fact, appeared before the court in pursuance to the summons issued against him, and he said that he was ready to give an undertaking, but he refused to furnish the bail bond to secure bail. Now, the court has taken exception to that and sent him to judicial custody for 2 days, like Bhavtosh Singh was reported. Bhavtosh, coming back to you at this point, Pinky Anand there also making the point that the court had simply asked him to do what is regular process in a case like this, but there was no reason really given why Kejriwal would prefer to give an undertaking. In fact, Bhavtosh, we'll listen into that comment by Pinky Anand and come back.